Am I going to get in trouble with that analogy?
No, that's spot on, John. And guess what? You pay the ransom to get those keys back, don't you?
CTIO 101, Business Technology, Simplified and Shared, sponsored by Fairmont Recruitment, hiring technology professionals across the UK and Europe. Don't forget to subscribe.
So the CD-ROMs are. I'm speaking to you, and Rob, you're the CEO. I've no doubt, Rob, this will happen. Although I doubt you'll employ me. But let's just pretend you make CEO one day and you do employ me. I'll go, Rob, look, I'm really sorry. We have got the CD-ROMs. First thing you'll be saying is, John, why the hell are we using CD-ROMs? And I'll say, well, it's just really good, proven 1990s technology. But they're in a safe, and the ransomware folks have actually also got the key to the safe. We don't know how they did it. So the immutable copies are in there, but we can't get to them because they've got the keys to. Is that am I going to get in trouble with that analogy?
No, that's spot on, John. And guess what? You pay the ransom to get those keys back, don't you?
Watch the full ransomware episode now and learn the strategies that can stop you having to pay these extortionists. Without these countermeasures in place, payment will sadly be the default option.